Alright, let's look at the homework 7.1, problem number 7. Alright, so we have this reduction formula, and we're going to use this kind of repeatedly so that we can evaluate the following integral. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so here we have 6 times, I guess we have 6 there. Alright, then looking at the formula, and in this case, my initial value would be 3 right there. So we're going to apply this formula to get this. Alright, so remember n is 3. So you have x times natural log of x raised to the n. So that's going to be 3. Alright, minus 3 times integral. Alright, then you have natural log of x. Right, n minus 1, so that would be 2, and then dx. Right, so we got that. Then we can apply the same formula, and this time n value is now new value 2. Right, so we leave everything else as it is. Let's see. I'm going to just go ahead and let's see, pull 6 out here, and I'm going to just write down the first term since we are done with the antiderivative. Here, this one is finished, right? And we still have to do, so it's a negative 3, right? Then we're going to have to use the formula once again, right? So here, now n is 2, so we have x, and the natural log of x, n is 2 minus 2, then we have to integrate, then natural log of x raised to the 2 minus 1, so it's actually just 1. So I'm going to just take that off, and then we have a dx. Right? So we have that. And why don't I just go ahead and distribute this negative 3 to this first term and second term there, so that we don't have too many brackets and stuff. So here, 6, I'm going to leave it here. Right, first term is already finished, so x times natural log of x cubed. Right, then we have a minus 3 x times natural log of x squared, right, and plus 6. Right, then we have, right, so we have this natural log of x. So in this case, n value is actually 1, right? Then you will get x times natural log of x to the first power minus, right, and the integral of, right, n minus 1 is 0, 0th power is 1, right, so you have a dx. Alright, then we can clean it up, so this is going to be, right, you have a 6 out here, integral, not the integral, curly bracket, and a natural log of x cubed minus 3x and natural log of x squared plus 6x natural log of x, right, minus, there's a 6, antiderivative x is 1 is x, and then since this is an indefinite integral, so you have to have plus some constancy. Right, so it looks like we should be able to factor out x. So you have a 6x, right, times, we have a natural log of x cubed minus 3 natural log of x squared plus 6 natural log of x minus 6s pulled out. So you have a 6. Alright, then you have a plus some constancy. Alright, so let's type this guy in. Alright, so what we got was 6x times natural log of x cubed, right, minus 3 times natural log of x squared plus 6 times natural log of x and minus 6 and plus some constant c. Alright, so let's submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.